Do you get annoyed when you can't link your files to a calendar or a reminder? Or do you use Apple Notes and wish there was a way to include a reminder for the note you created? I get a lot of questions about that. And in this video, I will show you how to supercharge your productivity by combining Apple Notes with Apple Reminders so that you can find the notes that you create easily. This powerful integration lets you turn your notes into actionable reminders so that you never miss a task or a deadline. I'm Karen, and I make videos to help people with their technology. Stay tuned to the end, and you'll find out how you can access my digital downloads. So let's dive in. The Notes app is a terrific tool on your iPhone. If you sync with iCloud, any note you create on your iPhone will also be available on your iPad, your laptop, or your desktop. You can create different folders from your notes. So let's go right into the Notes app. When you open your Notes app, the first thing you're going to see are all the folders you've created. And at the bottom of your folders, you'll see all the tags. Notes app is a great place to jot down quick notes, to create tables, to create quick lists, to manage projects, anything you can think of. It's also a great app if you need to scan documents. I have another video about that, and it'll be linked above. But let's get back to using notes with reminders. I've added folders to stay organized, and the folders are in these categories. I have a quick to-do list. I have another folder called Holiday Party, another folder called Work, Ideas, Projects, and then Areas. Areas is actually an outside folder. When you open it up, you'll see nested inside that folder, I've actually organized a lot of different areas of my life into specific folders. And the power of notes is that you might want your medical records easily accessible so that when you're visiting the doctor, you have them. So I have a folder called Health, and if I want to add a recent lab result, I can create a new note, and then I can use the camera icon to scan it, or I can bring it in from the website portal. So watch me as I turn a note into a reminder. I'm going to open up my party folder, and inside I have created a note because I'm planning a party for my friend Bill. It's his birthday. Don't tell him I'm planning anything. It's also a surprise. So I've made a list of things I need to do. I need to get the gifts. I need to wrap the gifts. I need to think of a menu, shop for food, bake cookies, cleaning. You know what I forgot to do? Let me add it. I'm going to go to the beginning where it says get all gifts. And I'm going to write send, invite, press return, and now I've added what I forgot. Of course, I have to invite people, otherwise Bill's going to be pretty bored. Now I have my list. What I want to do is I want this list to be available in reminders so that I can find it easily. I'm going to open the note for Bill's birthday party. I'm going to find the box that has the arrow pointing up. It's right at the top. And I'm going to share the note to reminders right here. Now, you'll notice that once I press share to reminders, I'm seeing everything in my note. So let's press add, and now it's there. Now let's go open up reminders right here, and I'm going to go back to reminders and go find that. It should be at the bottom, Bill's birthday party. So look what happens when I press the note. It goes right back to the note. That's pretty awesome. So just showing you again, the beauty of reminders is that if you look at the very right side of your reminder, in any reminder, you'll see an icon. And that icon is telling you that this reminder will link back to a note. Okay, now that you have linked your note to reminders, let's see what we can do. Open up reminders. Go to the list that's called My Reminders and go to the bottom. You should be able to see what you just added, Bill's birthday party. But I don't want to link back to the note. I want to give this a date-specific reminder so that it will actually alert me on a date. So I'm going to press I. I'm going to toggle the switch for date on, and I'll select a day. I need to have this all done by the 30th because the party is the following day. So I've done that. I want an early reminder. I want it to be 3 days before. I'm going to press custom and make it 3 days earlier. Press done. And now you'll see that under Bill's birthday party at the very bottom, there's a date. And on that early reminder date, I'm going to get a reminder on my phone, and that will just keep me organized. So you'll notice in reminders, I have a section for menu. This is when I want to plan something for the week so I know what I'm shopping. Anyway, I have all these items in my menu. If I want to actually see the recipe to check that I really want to make it, what I'm going to do is press on the notes icon. It will go right to the note, and then I can see the recipe and decide if I really want to have that for this week. I wanted to just take a moment to talk to you about tags. I had mentioned it earlier in the video. So you'll see that on my iPhone, I'm at the very beginning of my Notes app where it shows me all the folders. Now, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see all the tags I have. I'm going to select the dinner tag. And when I do that, I'm going to see all the notes that I have actually tagged dinner. Let's open one of them. And let's look at what it shows you. So this is a recipe I saved. I'm going to look it over, and if this is something that I might want to make for dinner, then I'm going to save it to my menu in reminders and cook it. But how did I get it tagged? At the very bottom of the note, you'll see it says #dinner. I'm going to show you how to add a tag. Go ahead and press the # or the hashtag. And then I'm going to add the word vegetarian because it's a vegetarian recipe. Okay, so now I have 2 tags, dinner and vegetarian. When I'm done, they'll be there. So if I wanted to find maybe vegetarian, then I would go to my tags and click on vegetarian. Now I'm going to see that same recipe is there, because I've tagged it dinner and vegetarian, along with all these other recipes that may or may not be for dinner, but they are vegetarian. So I've showed you this because I find that tags are very useful. You're going to have to decide for yourself whether it's better to have more folders or use tags to help you stay organized. Let me know in the comments, are you a tag person or a folder person? Or do you go right to the smart folder? Integrating Apple Notes with Apple Reminders is a simple yet powerful way to keep you and your tasks organized. Give it a try and let me know below how it works for you. You can find all my videos available by clicking my channel page below. In the comments, I've also linked how you can access my digital downloads. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe so you'll always know when my videos are available. See you next time on Techie Tutor.